Hello class ninth. Today I'm going to continue with this chapter number 9, economic importance of bacteria and fungi, and now I'm going to continue with this 9a, economic importance of bacteria. Now first before we start this chapter, now see this progress check given in your book. It is related to my previous video. Now here name the three common shapes of bacteria. Page number 85, this progress sheet. Name the three common shapes of bacteria. There are three shapes: coccus, and bacillus, and spirillum. Give the technical term for the following pattern of occurrence of bacteria. If it is in pair, so now diplo. In long chain, that is strepto. In cluster, so means strepilo. List the kind of nutrition in bacteria. There is type of nutrition occur in bacteria, that is heterotrophic, but heterotrophic again divide into two types: saprophytic and parasitic. Saprophytic and parasitic. What is the common method of the reproduction in bacteria? That is only asexual reproduction. Why do bacteria produce a spore to overcome unfavorable condition? Why do bacteria produce a spore to overcome unfavorable condition? Now today I am going to start with useful role of bacteria in medicine. Okay, useful role of bacteria in medicine. Okay, medicine में bacteria का क्या use? It is very important topic. As you know, bacteria are used in the medicine in the production of antibiotics, second serum, and fourth one vaccines. Okay, now first take that is antibiotics. As you know, antibiotic is a chemical substance produced by living organism to kill living organism. Okay, produced by living organism which can stop the growth of some disease producing bacteria and fungi. Okay, understand it. What is antibiotic? Antibiotic is a substance, a chemical substance produced by a living organism to kill a living organism. Okay, कौन से living organism को kill करता है? Which are able to cause diseases like fungi and bacteria. Okay, now today's we know of dozens of antibiotic widely used in the treatment of numerous infection. Like example, this is antibiotics example. First one is streptomycin, chloromycetin, and tetracycline and penicillin. Penicillin is very important. It is the first antibiotic. Okay, penicillin. Penicillin first produced antibiotic from the fungus and not the bacterium. Penicillin कहाँ किससे produce हुई थी? From the fungus, not the bacterium. But हम इसको useful role of bacteria in medicine इसलिए पढ़ रहे हैं क्योंकि it is an antibiotic and it is produced from the fungus. Okay, and how it was discovered in 1929? Alexander Fleming. ठीक है, name of the scientist Alexander Fleming. Okay, observe that some bacteria grow in a culture were destroyed by an accidental contamination of a mold, Penicillium notatum. ठीक है, फंगस का नाम क्या था? Penicillium notatum. And he discovered that his mold produced a substance which suppressed the growth of many bacteria, and the substance was named penicillin. क्योंकि because it discovered from the Penicillium notatum, now substance which suppress the growth of the bacteria, so now named it penicillin. Okay, the first antibiotic for medical use, but remember penicillin is the product of mold and not of the bacterium. ठीक है, mold means fungus. Means penicillin is the product of fungus, not the bacterium, but we studied it in the antibiotics because it is the first antibiotic. Okay, and next antibiotic is streptomycin. Okay, next one, that is streptomycin, discovered by Selman Waksman. Selman Waksman. Okay, Selman Waksman ने डिस्कवर्ड किया था सेकेंड एंटीबायोटिक, दैट इज स्ट्रेप्टोमाइसिन, डिस्कवर्ड बाय सेल्मन वॉक्समैन, एंड इज अ फेमिलियर वे, इट इज अ सोर्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म, दैट वाज द बैक्टीरिया. इट इज अ ट्रू एंटीबायोटिक बिकॉज ये कहाँ किससे बनी थी, फ्रॉम द बैक्टीरिया स्ट्रेप्टोमाइसिस ग्रीशियस. ओके, स्ट्रेप्टोमाइसिस ग्रीशियस से बनाया था सेल्मन वॉक्समैन ने. ओके, सम वेल नोन एंटीबायोटिक्स are penicillin, as you know, first one penicillin, a source of organism, Penicillium notatum, and disease treated, that is tetanus and diphtheria. Second one is streptomycin, streptomyces gracious, obtaining organism, and treated tuberculosis. किस कहाँ पे हम यूज करते हैं, in the treatment of tuberculosis. Okay, tuberculosis. And the second one, that is chlorotetracycline, that is chlorotetracycline. Next one, chlorotetracycline obtained from Streptomyces aureofaciens, and discover and treatment में use होता है, that is typhoid. टाइफॉइड के ट्रीटमेंट पे हम यूज करते हैं क्लोरोटेट्रासाइक्लिन, एंड डिस्कवर्ड फ्रॉम द स्ट्रेप्टोमाइसिस ऑरियोफेशियंस. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज एरिथ्रोमाइसिन, रिकेट्सियल फीवर के लिए हम यूज करते हैं. ओके, पेनिसिलिन सबसे ज़्यादा वाइडली यूज होती है टिटनेस एंड डिप्थीरिया. पेनिसिलिन वाइडली यूज्ड इन टिटनेस एंड डिप्थीरिया. ओके, क्राइटेरिया फॉर अ गुड एंटीबायोटिक, हाउ यू कैटेगराइज दिस इज अ गुड एंटीबायोटिक और दिस वन इज बैड. ओके, criteria for a good antibiotic. For a good antibiotic. Criteria for a good antibiotic. First one, it should be able to kill a variety of disease producing microorganism, and we can selectively called as broad spectrum. अगर वर्ड आता है ब्रॉड स्पेक्ट्रम का मतलब ये होता है कि कोई भी एंटीबायोटिक है तो वो बहुत सारे वैरायटी ऑफ डिजीज प्रोड्यूसिंग माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म को किल कर सकती है. अगर नैरो स्पेक्ट्रम का मीन्स होता है साइंटिफिक वर्ड, दैट इज किल ओनली अ पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म. तो मीन्स it should be able to kill a variety of disease producing microorganism, that is broad spectrum. And second one, that is should not produce undesirable side effects, यानी कि उसको खाने के बाद कोई भी साइड इफेक्ट्स नहीं आने चाहिए या कम आने चाहिए. Okay, it should not produce undesirable side effect, and it should not kill normal bacteria of the host. Okay, should not kill normal bacteria of the host, जो हमारे बेनिफिशियल बैक्टीरियाज हैं बॉडी में उसको किल नहीं करें. ओके, नॉट किल द नॉर्मल बैक्टीरिया ऑफ द होस्ट. एंड अदर यूजेस ऑफ एंटीबायोटिक्स, यूजेस अदर यूजेस ऑफ, एक तो है कि माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म को किल कर रहा है, एंड नेक्स्ट यूजेस क्या है. नेक्स्ट यूज, फर्स्ट वन एज फूड प्रिजर्वेटिव, preservatives, especially for fresh meat of and fish, and treating animal feed, and third one for controlling plant pathogen, and next one kill disease causing harmful disease causing microorganism, kill disease causing microorganism. Okay. Now here are basically four uses of bacteria. First one as food preservatives, and especially for fresh meat and fish. Second, treating animal feed, and third one for controlling plant pathogen, and fourth one kill disease causing harmful microorganism. Okay. Now next one, that is serum. First one antibiotics completed. Now second one serum.